welcome back to my channel, welcome back to another video. I have missed you so much, it feels so good to say that. It's been about 3 weeks, so if you follow my social media you will know that I did have a back injury while I was on holiday and I wasn't able to film for a few weeks. I'm back, I'm in recovery. I'm not going to overdo it in this video because I don't want to set my recovery back even more because it does ache, so I don't know if you'll be able to notice that in the video, hopefully not. And it is also a collaboration, so it is an extra special video today. I'm collaborating with Yesenia from Yesenia's A Mum's Life. If you don't follow her, make sure that you check out her video after you check out mine. Give her a follow and show some love. I will put her social media and her YouTube page down in the description below, so check that out after you've watched this one. Another thing before we start is my hair. So I've just had a delivery of hair extensions, which is, well, I've got them in now because I'm really impatient. But the beginning of the video you will see that I have really short hair and then it goes to long hair because it's a bit of a... It's one of those, guys, it's one of those days. I just want to thank everybody for sticking around because it has been a few weeks, but I see that you have all stuck with me, so thank you so much. I can't wait to get started again. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you haven't already and the bell so you don't miss anything. Yesenia has got so many amazing videos on her channel, it is jam-packed. We do a similar style, so if you like my videos I know that you will like hers. So don't forget to go over and give her a thumbs up as well. And if you are over on my channel, from Yesenia's channel, please leave a comment down below and let me know that you've come over. And thank you so much for joining my YouTube family. It's slowly growing and I love you all so much, so thank you. And let's get into the video.
Never up, never down, never. Like a theme in a song, clever. Feeling high, feeling...
I always start in the kitchen, so today I'm starting with the washing up and then I'm just going to clean over the sides and then do the living room. It's just going to be a quick power hour today, so I'm going to show you how you can make your living room and your kitchen look super clean with really sort of minimum effort.
Get up again. I will get up again. Stronger than I ever been. I will get up again. It's late July and everything turned upside down. I almost lost track of time as weeks went by. I couldn't get him off my mind. I told him I want that great love, like standing in the middle of a bonfire. You don't know how you got there, but you hold tight, knowing that you can't get burned. Just tell me how we lost track of everything but each other. I honestly don't know. And tell me how we messed up, drifting away from each other. Didn't want to let you go. Cause we wanted different things and I have to deal with it, but it's not easy, so tell me how to let go, cause you really seem to know how to carry on your own.
Moving on into the front room, I'm going to start with the washing. Just going to fold it up, take it all upstairs so it's all out the way. Then I'm going to do a bit of rearranging of the shelves and do the hoovering.
How do we
and we could ride the tidal waves together, escaping all the gamma rays. Tell me, how do we get so brave? Tell me, how do we get so brave? Escaping all the gamma rays. Tell me, how do we get so brave? Tell me, how do we get so brave?
Thank you so much for watching. I hope you have enjoyed this one. Don't forget to pop over to Yesenia's channel. I'm leaving all of her details in the description below, and I post every Tuesday, Thursday and Sunday, so I will see you back here on Thursday.